Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to write privacy policies using ChatGPT. So let's get started with the video. So basically, we need to give some prompt, and I've written a prompt here. As you can see, write a privacy policy. You need to mention your type of business here that collects type of data. Here you can mention what type of data is there in your particular business. If it uses any third party service, just mention it over here and the location where it's been based, and it should comply with, if there is any GDPR, CCPA, any other policy, you just mention it. Include the section for data section, usage, sharing, security, and user right. This is a kind of prompt that I've prepared. You need to just fill up this square brackets here. Also, there is another prompt. For example, I have created a prompt over here, example prompt. As you can see, write a privacy policy for a mobile app that collect email address, uses Google Analytics, and store user data on AWS servers. And I've also given the location name and the target audience as well. Once we give the prompt, as you can see here, the chat GPT AI have created the privacy policy. What you need to do, you need to just copy this and make the changes in the square bracket again. For example, you need to enter the date over here and do the changes only for those in which the square brackets is given. So if the tutorial is helpful, please like and subscribe.